Hello viewers, my name is Tudani Hlachwayo and I welcome you to my lesson. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the button subscribe below there. Today we are dealing with a past exam question paper, which is paper 2, November and October 2007. Right, we are still dealing with right angle triangles. So we have a question that is question number 1, part A. So it says from the top of a vertical tower, which is AB, an observer sees a car at point C, and then we are given the dimensions there. To cut the long story short, this is the diagram that we are given. It's a right-angled triangle. And we are told to calculate C, the angle CAB, which is this angle. We are given two sides. So we will always remember SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. We always remember SOHCAHTOA. So now, hypotenuse we are not given. Remember, our opposite is this one, this side, and adjacent this side. Right, so what we have there, we have opposite and adjacent. So our opposite is equals to 200. And our adjacent is equals to 65. Right, so if we have got opposite and adjacent, which one are we going to use? We are not going to use sine, we are not going to use cos, but tan, because it is opposite over adjacent. So we're gonna say tan theta is equals to, our opposite is 200 over adjacent, which is 65. So theta is equals to arctan. Theta is equals to arctan 200 over 65. Then we punch in our calculator. There we get 71. When we punch in our calculator, we get 71 comma 9958, which goes to 72. So our angle, which is CAB, is equals to 72 degrees. So this is what we are told to find. But right, let's look at another way of dealing with it. So our angle is 72 degrees. Remember it there. Right, let me erase this. Let's look at in another way of dealing with it. Right, we are given two sides. Let's say we are not given, let's say right, let's try to find hypotenuse, this missing side. So if we want the missing side, definitely hypotenuse to be h squared is equals to 200 squared plus 65 squared, which is 200 squared, that is 40,000 plus 4225. then which is equals to, add it together, we get 44 225. Then what is the square root of that in order for us to find h? If we are going to find h, so 44225, and then we punch in our calculator, we get 210,29. Right, we get that. So now we try to use this side, and one of the side that we are given there, this side is 210,29. So we are going to use this side, hypotenuse, let's say, and opposite. So remember, if we have got opposite and hypotenuse, what we are going to use is, we are going to use sine. Sine theta is equals to opposite, which is 200, over hypotenuse, which is 210,29. Then theta is equals to arc sine. Theta is equals to arc sine of 200 over 210,29. So if you punch into our calculator, we find that it is equals to 72. It gives us 72. So we get the same answer that we got from in the beginning. Thank you very much for watching.